Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I want to share with you a really yummy recipe that I got from my mother-in-law years ago. It's a beef stroganoff recipe. So right now I am browning 2 pounds of deer meat. You can use hamburger if you want. I've chopped up an onion and I opened up 2 cans of mushrooms and threw them in there. And I'm making sure this is all brown. Added some garlic in there too. And I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper here in a little bit to taste. And some paprika also to taste. Now I've opened 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. And I'm adding this to the brown burger until it's all mixed up. Now I'm adding about a cup, maybe more, of sour cream. This is kind of one of those recipes where you just eyeball it and taste it and add things until it's to your taste. Now I added the salt and pepper and paprika, and I'm just going to mix it in and it will be done. All I do is serve it over rice and it's yummy. By the way, I am going to add something that I normally don't add to it today, only because we have an abundance, and those are tomatoes. Yum, yum.